In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've gone ahead and downloaded and installed the Splitwise app on your device. Now from here, simply open it up and you'll be greeted with a page that looks like this. So from here, we've got two options. We can click on the green sign up button, or we can sign in with Google. But signing with Google is creating your account at the same time. So if I click on sign up, it's going to take me to this page where you need to create your account. But if I go ahead and use sign in with Google, this is probably the easiest and quickest way. Go ahead and click in sign in with Google and then choose your Google account. So I'm going to choose Tutorialwiz. Then from here, it's going to go ahead and say logging in. Then it will say, welcome to Splitwise. Splitwise keeps tracks of balances between friends. So now let's go through this. Add expenses, settle up. Let's get started. So from there, click on allow. And it'll say, welcome to Splitwise. What would you like to do first? Add your apartment, add a group trip, or skip setup for now. So for this, I'm just going to click on skip setup. And now if we go and click on account, bottom right corner, you can see we've created an account and we can edit our name and all that stuff inside here as well.